10 tips for getting the most out of selling your home. Whether you're a seasoned homeowner or selling for the first time, these tips will help you navigate the process with confidence and success. Let's get started. I'm Henry Jones, a mortgage and real estate professional here in Illinois. Set the right price. Start by pricing your home accurately. Research comparable properties in your area and consider hiring a professional appraiser or real estate agent to determine its market value. Pricing too high can scare off buyers, while pricing too low may leave money on the table. Boost curb appeal. First impressions matter. Ensure your lawn is mowed, landscaping is tidy, and the exterior of your home is clean and inviting. A fresh coat of paint on the front door or some colorful flowers can make a big difference. Declutter and depersonalize. Buyers want to envision themselves in your space. Remove personal photos, excess furniture, and clutter. Consider renting a storage unit for items that you don't use daily to make your home feel more spacious and appealing. Stage your home. Staging highlights your home's best features and creates a welcoming atmosphere. Rearrange furniture, add tasteful decor, and use neutral colors to appeal to a wider range of buyers. Professional staging services can also provide an edge. Make necessary repairs. Fix small issues like leaky faucets, squeaky doors, or chipped paint. These minor repairs signal to the buyers that the home has been well maintained, making it more attractive, and justify your asking price. Highlight energy efficiency. If your home has any energy efficient features like updated windows, insulations, or solar panels, make sure to highlight them. Buyers are increasingly interested in homes that can save them money on utility bills. Use professional photography. High quality photos are crucial for online listings. Hire a professional photographer who knows how to showcase your home's best angles and lighting. This will help your property stand out in a crowded market. Market effectively. Work with your agent to develop a strong marketing plan. Use online platforms, social media, and even virtual tours to reach a broader audience. A strategic approach ensures your home is seen by the right buyers. Be flexible with showings. I can't stress this enough. Make your home available for showings as often as possible. The more buyers who see your homes, the better chance you have of receiving competitive offers. Consider leaving the home during showings to make the buyers feel more comfortable. Negotiate smartly. When offers come in, evaluate them carefully. Don't just focus on the price. Consider contingencies, closing dates, and the buyer's financing. An experienced agent can help you negotiate the best overall deal. Selling your home doesn't have to be overwhelming. By following these 10 tips, you'll set yourself for a smoother process and better results. Thank you for joining me today. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on real estate, mortgages, and achieving your homeownership dreams. Have questions or want me to cover a specific topic in the future? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy house selling.